Hello, welcome to You Plant Tube. In this video, I will be showing you the method I use to successfully grow spinach from seed to harvest. Also in this video, we will be answering some common questions related to growing spinach. What is the best time to grow spinach? In late winter or early spring for a fast crop, and again in late summer or early fall after the hottest temperatures have passed. Spinach is a cool weather vegetable. How many seeds should I plant per hole? 3 seeds in general. 2 to 3 seeds should be planted per hole. Seeds do not have 100% germination rate, so not every seed planted will sprout. How many days does it take for spinach seeds to germinate? If the weather isn't extremely cold, seeds will germinate in 5 to 9 days. Spinach produces beautiful in autumn, but it is tricky to persuade the seed to germinate in the hot conditions of late summer. Can spinach be grown in containers? Spinach can be grown from seed or starts. Plant your container growing spinach in pots that are 6 to 12 inches across in soil, amended with compost to aid in water retention, and place in full sun. The soil pH should be around 6.0 to 7.0. What are the best temperatures to grow spinach? Spinach is a cool weather crop that grows best when the daytime temperatures remain consistently below 75 Fahrenheit, commonly in spring or fall. Young plants will bolt when exposed to temperatures below 40 Fahrenheit, but mature plants can withstand temperatures as low as 20 Fahrenheit. Why is my spinach growing slow? Weather conditions may also be to blame. If the weather is too hot, seeds won't germinate, and if it's too cold, they may germinate much slower. Finally, keep your soil evenly moist, as too little or too much water can also stop germination. Why is my garden spinach bitter? That bitter taste is caused by oxalic acid. Stay away from larger, darker leaves. They have a higher concentration. Young spinach is more tender and tends to be sweeter. Overcooking spinach can bring out the bitterness as well. Does spinach regrow? Harvesting correctly improves the chance of the spinach regrowing. When harvesting, cut the spinach leaves back to within 2 inches of the ground, taking care not to cut into the growing point. Within 4 weeks, the leaves should regrow for a second harvest. How do I keep my spinach from bolting? You can pinch off the flower buds in an attempt to slow down the bolting process, but this only can be done a few times per plant. How often should I water my spinach? Spinach does best with 1 to 1.5 inches of rain per week. If you don't get much rain, you'll need to water the plants yourself. They do much better with 3 to 4 light soakings per week, as opposite to 1 long deep soak. Why should I grow spinach? Spinach is one of the most satisfying cool weather crops to grow. Produces a large yield of vitamin-rich dark green leaves that are excellent for salads and for cooking. How do you know when spinach is ready to be harvested? When the outer leaves are about 6 inches long, they are ready to be harvested. Or if it is spring and the plants are near the end of the season where they will soon bloom, you can pull them up or cut the entire plant. Does spinach grow back every year? Spinach is an annual crop. As an annual, each plant grows for a single season. New plants are grown from seed at the beginning of the growing season. Perennials, in contrast, die down to the soil line in fall and regrow from perennial roots each spring. There are probably many different ways to grow spinach, and it all depends on what part of the world you are located in, plus the season you are in. The climate where I am growing spinach is a Mediterranean climate, which is equivalent to a Zone 10. Also, if you have a limited space and are unable to plant directly into the ground because of other vegetables occupying the area, then another option would be to transplant your spinach plants into larger pots. This would add the available time until the area is vacant. At this stage, I decided to transplant the seedlings into larger pots. With the new soil, this will give it an opportunity to uptake more nutrients. Stay with me to the end of the video to see how successful this spinach grows, and perhaps you can consider using this method where you live. feel free to ask me any questions related to the video in the comment section below. I hope you have found this video of interest and consider subscribing if you have not already done so. Also, I would appreciate if you hit that like button. Thanks for watching.